Mitchell Tech's Welding and Manufacturing Technology program combines skill and craft into one high-demand technical career.
This program is about teaching you how to fill every part of manufacturing. It teaches you the basics of welding, it teaches you how to run the robots, it teaches you how to do the machining, but it also teaches you how to do the testing, from your mag particle to your ultrasound to your X-ray.
We get to experience all different forms of welding. You know, there's stick, there's MIG, there's TIG.
MTI has some of the best welding and specialty manufacturing labs available. In just 2 years, you can specialize in progressive welding, machining automation, or even choose an automated engineering option.
Mitchell Tech's the only tech school in the state that has the robots and all the non-destructive testing, and it really gets the whole manufacturing side.
With the robots, you can have a lot of constant welding, so there's no downtime, so high efficiency. We definitely have the upper hand when we enter industry.
Welding and Manufacturing Technology at Mitchell Tech. Learn more at mitchelltech.edu.